Alright guys, today this is going to be a real quick tutorial on how to find out what your version number is of your Concord 4 panel. And this is how you do it. You have to know what the owner's 4-digit code is, not the installer code, the owner's 4-digit code, the user 4-digit code, whatever you want to call it. It's not the code to get you into the panel, it's the user code. So, this is how you do it. You hit the number 9, punch in the user code, comes in the time and date, hit the A key up, says system version. Now you hit the pound sign, disregard the factory code, you hit the A key up once. There is your version. This panel is a 4.4. Okay? So now, you want to get out of program, hit the star key, hit the A key up, exit program, hit the pound key. Alright, I'm going to do this for you one more time to find out what your version is of your Concord 4. Hit the 9. Enter the code. Time and day shows up. Hit the A key. That's this top key. Up once. There's your system version. And then if you want to see what it is, hit the pound key. That is the factory code. Disregard it. Hit the A key up once. There is your version. This panel is a 4.40. To exit program, hit the pound. Oh, I'm sorry. Hit the star. Hit the A key up. Exit program, hit the pound. And you're out of program. That's all there is to finding out what the version number is of your Concord 4.